Hey, come along with us today. We're going to head down to Annapolis to the Navy Stadium. We got some work to do there on that irrigation system. Come along with us today. Inside and outside of the stadium are beautiful. Take a look. Guys and gals are up on the northwest hill troubleshooting. We're draining the water down from this valve box to find out what needs to be replaced, and then we can get after it. Here is an old F-16, a retired Blue Angels jet. The guys are troubleshooting the issues with these heads in the flower bed. Okay, we're heading to the inside of the stadium now. Such a great view. There was water coming up out of the ground here. We're trying to locate what in the world's going on here with this. Right here, we're taking an 1.5-inch Rainbird valve, getting ready to rebuild, replace a couple valves here at the Navy Stadium. Back up here next to the Blue Angel. Quick and easy fix with these spray heads. Jumping back inside the stadium again, fixing the cracked pipe that was damaged by an outside source. It was a simple fix and the irrigation is back up and running. We're near the end here, getting this all wrapped up. The guys and gals are gathering up the tools. We're cleaning up after their work today, and we're fine-tuning these rotary heads. Hey guys, we're just finishing up here at the Navy Stadium today. Got this back up and running again. Appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for the next episode.